So about a week ago, PEAKMILL posted this amazing and effortless tutorial where she went from no hair to yes hair. I decided to try it out as well, following every single step she took, and this was my result. So in 60 seconds, I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about this unit that I'll be using for this tutorial. This unit was sent to me by a company called CurlsCurls Official, and right out of the box it comes with the unit, which has a tag that shows you the wig specifications you ordered for. It comes with a booklet that contains the haircare instructions, and finally a goodie bag that contains 4 clips, 2 combs, and an elastic band. The wig also has a comb on each side, a comb at the back, and an adjustable strap. Now the knots on this unit have been bleached, and unlike most curly units I have received in the past, this wig is the most natural looking because the roots were not straight and the hairline was already pre-plucked. I tried detangling this hair like I always do with all my curly units, and I was blown away by how my brush went through with little to no shedding. On their website, this wig is called Melissa. It is a kinky curly wig that has like a 3C4A curl pattern. It has a 13 by 6 inches pattern space. It is 150% in density, and I received this wig in 20 inches. Since my hair is natural and PEAKMILL'S hair is relaxed, I decided to, blow dry my hair in order not to do cornrows. I parted my hair by the side and put it down in a low ponytail. My dreams become reality. I went ahead and cut off the lace on the wig and applied some got-to-be glue gel to keep my head down and secure the wig. Just maybe one day, baby, we'll be there at the top, baby, like the 4th of July. We'll go big. Oh, that ain't no lie, but that means no sleeping tonight. I'm up in the middle of the night. That's alright. Wonderful. Since I didn't have rubbing alcohol at home, I went over my skin area with witch hazel in order to get rid of any oils or excess makeup I had on my skin so my wig could stick down better. For further security, I went ahead with the got-to-be glued free spray and waited until it was a little bit tacky, and then applied the wig. I tied it down and waited until the wig was secure. I'm working hard for whatever I want, whatever I want, whatever I want. I'm working hard for whatever I want. Gotta get my wake up early on, get my smart and nerdy on. I gotta get my reach the sky on, get my always try on. I gotta get my hit the gym on, get my single swim on. I gotta get it. Once I felt like the wig was secure enough, I proceeded to styling the hair. I applied my cream of nature foaming mousse to the hair, put it in a low ponytail, and also added some got-to-be glued styling gel to keep the hair smooth and sleek, just like she did. This wig stayed on my head for days without budging, and to take it off I applied warm water and it came off without ripping off my hair and edges. However, I would advise that you use a wig cap instead of gluing the wig directly to your hair. I went ahead and styled my edges and also added the sculpting powder in my Black Radiance contour palette on my parting area to make it look more natural. The links to all the products used as well as the wig will be in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And to save some coins, make sure you use my discount code Loveth to get $5 off. And to PEAKMILL, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you for being such an inspiration. To everyone out there, I love you dearly and you have inspired me a lot. And to every single one of you watching this tutorial, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Australia, Paris.